Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Canva, which I actually don't have it open yet, but I'm just going to show you guys how to use it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So pretty much, this is really easy to get to it. So all you have to do is search Canva, and then use Canva, that's it. And then you're here. And then you do actually have to make an account. Like, you have to make sure you have to make actually your account, but that's pretty. I'm not gonna cover that because I've already made an account. I'm not gonna do that, but it's pretty easy to make an account. I'm pretty sure you can just sign up with Google or sign up with email or whatever else. But yeah. So yeah, guys. So let's go ahead and start. So right here, when we first get into it, you can see, so that if you go down here, first you could, this is right here, we'll cover like this, where it says YouTube thumbnail, doc, whiteboard, we'll see that, we'll cover that in a minute. So right here, down here, you can see recent designs, where it says recent designs. You can see where you've done all of your, like, different, you can see all your different things you've done, like all different designs, everything you've done. But yeah, if you want to delete it, you just go up here, move the trash, you hit that. And then if you want to make a copy, you can do that. You can open it in a tab, so you can like open the design in a new tab. Oops, I did not mean to click that and that. If you want to move to a folder, you have to make different folders. Like, or I think there might be already two that are automatically created to your projects. You can make it into there. You can put it into there. You can download it if you want. So, like, for example, if it's a YouTube thumbnail, which I actually used Canva for my last like three thumbnails. You can download it and then put it so it'll make to a file, and then you can upload it to make a to make a thumbnail. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. And then share, you could just share it with somebody else. So if you want to like work together with it, like make a thumbnail, if you want to, like I said, if you want to make a thumbnail, you could share it to somebody else. I think you might have to type in your email. I'm not really, or you might have to type in their email. I'm not really too sure though. And then add tags, which you actually need Canva Pro, which I'm not getting it. And then move to trash. And then you could also, right up here, you can edit it. So just the name, and then you could see YouTube thumbnail, and then by whoever it is, and then edit when it was edited. So yeah, I can go to this one and click on it, and I can actually edit it. I'm not really too sure. Oh no, you can. Okay, I can still edit the text, so I'm not gonna edit it. But yeah, so for this, we're just going to we gotta get to this real quick. So we can notice up here, we can notice YouTube thumbnail, which would be the length and width of a YouTube thumbnail. So that if we go down here to this P thing I made for just something else, you guys can see it's not the length of a YouTube thumbnail, because it's not like so if I create a new design, you could see up here, you can make it all these different ones. So you can see YouTube thumbnail, a logo. I'm pretty sure that's just for like, I gotta like, click on it. Yeah, that's just for like, if you want to make your like I don't know, I'm not too sure if it'll work for like YouTube logos, like for your like profile picture, but yeah. And then Instagram post, like so it's square, presentation, flyer, portrait, poster, resume, doc, all these different ones. You guys can look through these for a second if you want. I'll just scroll through them real quick. There we go. And then down here you can see, I'm pretty sure these are recommended, like things that based on what you've been working on lately, or based on like what you've created lately. And then docs down here, it's just all these are just like recommended. You guys can see all these. So yeah, you can make it. Also, you can make it however you want. How, like, the width and height you want it to be. And then you can also upload a file. So like for example, if you use a different site to make YouTube thumbnail and you download that from that other site, then you can upload it here, and then you can edit it. And I'm not really too sure if you added text. I'm not really too sure if you can edit that. I don't think you will be able to because it's from a different site. So yeah. Also, guys, I will leave chapters in the description if you guys want me, or if you guys want to like skip to wherever. So yeah. So yeah. Next we can move on to okay, right here, down here, you could see like your basic designs right here. Also too, right here, you guys see on the left hand side, you guys can see. And you can also try Pro, which I'm not gonna click on because I don't want it to do anything. I don't think it will do anything, but yeah. Also, if you want to add another account right here, you can add another one, which I don't have any other account, so I'm not gonna add another one. I just want to, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And yeah, this is what you'll look at when you first come to Canva, and you will continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email, or you can continue another way. And then create a team, which is, I'm pretty sure, like I said, you could work with another person or a group of people to actually like create something, and then you guys should just see what's new. So you guys should see like what's settings. You guys should see pricing, plans, history, design, school, which I'm not really too sure what it is. Suggest improvement. Get the Canva app, which I'm pretty sure like it's not on there's actually a Canva app. I don't think it's actually like on a site, which like on the site, but yeah. Next, what else do we talk about with this? Actually, you know what? So yeah, let's go to create design. Let's just go YouTube thumbnail. Let's just do that. I'm not gonna actually create YouTube thumbnail, but I just want to show you guys this in here. So yeah, you guys could see if you've done this before, you could see recently used one. And you guys could actually see that if you want to, that you don't have to, but if you want to, you can use a YouTube thumbnail that somebody else has already made and edit it. So like if you have a background already, it'll already have background text, but you gotta actually like edit the text. So like I'll just use this one I recently used. I can delete everything on it and just leave the background. So like I can delete this, and right here I can just like edit the text, whatever I want it to say. And I could, it's each like a little section, and then you can delete this person. Oh, I stopped me to clone them. Okay, and okay, and then oops, I gotta do this too. And this, and I just left the background. You can add text if you want. Here's the text. You can do different fonts. You can add a text box, which is like a standard text box. You could add a heading, which is like pretty big text, and then add a subheading, which is just smaller text, and then a little bit of body text, which is very tiny. For like if you want to do a paragraph or something like that. For whatever else, and the magic right, which is, I'm pretty sure, you know what, we're not gonna mess with that. It doesn't really matter. And you can also search fonts if you want. Next, brand, which is, you guys see logos, which I'm pretty sure you need Canva Pro. I'm pretty sure you might need Canva Pro for, actually you don't. I'll just do green, I guess. And what is that gonna do? You know what? We're not gonna mess with that either. Okay. Next, we could see. You guys can see. So like, I've downloaded these 3 images down here. I'm gonna just in there, Piggy and Brookhaven, like the actual picture for the game, for the games, and you can, if you want, you could delete it, or you could delete it. You can move it to trash, which is pretty much deleting. You can download it, but also, obviously, I'd recommend if you downloaded something, obviously it's super obvious, but if you downloaded something and you want to download it again, don't download it again because you already have it saved to your device. If you downloaded it, obviously before, but yeah, but if you edited it, which these I don't think you can edit, I mean you can edit, but like in here, in this like area, you can't edit it. You could see videos, so like if I want to add a video that I have created, then I can edit that and add text and all that. And then audio, I can add like audio track or whatever. So draw, you can, there's so like if I could, like if I draw 100 and 1000, whatever, you can like just draw. I'm pretty sure that this will actually, you can erase it. I'm pretty sure that this will be like on it because it's actually like on the thumbnail or the poster, whatever you want to call it. And then apps, I'm pretty sure that's just like the thing. And then you can see, like I said, you can see your recent project, and you can add different apps. I'm pretty sure it's just something else. And then you can, up here, you can like delete something or like remove it, and then up here you can edit your like name for whatever. And I'm pretty sure that the first text you'll put, it comes up here. So if I put hi or something, it'll go up there. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all of it. I don't you can add a page right here. Oh, you can like zoom in and out. You can make it full screen over here. But I think that's really all the important stuff. Like this stuff down here is not really anything. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all for this video. I think we pretty much covered the important stuff that you guys would really need to know. Oh yeah, also right here, you guys will probably also want to know. So if you edit, then you can like edit it, like add text and all that. Commenting, so if you click on it, you can comment on the page, on the wherever you're doing, and then if you view it, you just get to see that, and you can't edit anything. If you go back to editing, it'll let you do it. But yeah, guys, I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not gonna have another video today because I've already had 2 videos. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I might have another video today or tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys have a good day. Bye, guys.